Punchity punch punch.
Let the interspecies breeding process commence! The camcorder is definitely still recording, right? Good, good. I'm going to save both of these creatures from extinction, and there's nothing at all that you can do to stop me!
Step back, dickheads.
Oh shit! You've stopped me!
Woo!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Hey guys, good to meet you. Thanks for the rescue. Mad props. They call me Red. Because I ain't yellow. Okay. Listen, sorry about what happened back there. I was just trying to trick Professor Mojo, or whatever, into thinking that we were, gonna get down to business. You feel me?
Oh, so what? All of that was just pretend? That whole unnervingly erect tail thing? Yeah, right.
No, I swear it was just a big ruse to buy some time until we were rescued. I'd swear it on my weird 130-year-old flying grandpa's life. Okay? Hey, do you wanna hook up or something sometime, or?
What? No.
No, just checking. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. If you think you'd like to watch another cartoon, click the link on the screen. Yes, and I almost forgot. Also, you can subscribe.